Hey friends, today we're making a fried chicken and waffle sandwich. Boom, get this set up, slaw underneath, dash of good old fashioned dark maple. Oh yeah, can't go wrong with that, huh? Next we add on our soft eggs. Nice, and the hot sauce is already in the slaw.